ready to say goodbye to dry land. All right, everybody, we are on the Celebrity Reflection, and we are in room 6296. This is a balcony room with a partially obstructed view, and you'll see that in just a minute. So come on in, we'll take a look. And as you're going in, you're going to see right directly on your left-hand side is the bathroom. We actually have a pretty large bathroom. I was surprised when we got in here, which is kind of nice. Say hi, Blaine.
Hi, Blaine.
Again, a pretty large bathroom. You can see all the different areas for storage in here.
This is most important.
Yeah, that we actually
The
have
sliding door.
versus having
A
shower
curtain.
Absolutely. When you come out, you're going to see that we have a little desk right here with a mirror. You're going to see our outlets right here, which is kind of nice. You have a little switch for the light above here, which is good. A little desk drawer here. And
To work if you have to.
And then right here, you'll see our closets. We have a closet on both sides, a lot of storage in there. Our luggage is still sitting there. We have a pretty large couch. And we also have some fresh flowers here, which is kind of nice. And then over here, you can see some storage. We have some wine bottles we already brought with us, our TVs here. And then the first drawer, you'll see our safe that's in here, standard safe that you see on every cruise ship. Our refrigerator.
With Tito's fans.
Yeah. And then you can see everything in here is an extra charge for that. It's an actual refrigerator, which is kind of nice. We have some drawers in here too. Our bed, and we have a nightstand on both sides of the bed. There's also some storage up top here, so if you need some extra storage, that's located up top here. And then outside, you're gonna see our obstructed view of our balcony, which isn't too bad actually, because only thing you can't see is directly down, because we have a little bit of a spot down there where we're above the lifeboat. So Blaine's gonna take you outside and take you a quick little view of what it looks like outside. And we have
Cheers.
Cheers at our table out here. And we are already underway. We just left the Bahamas a little while ago. And so this is room 6296 on the Celebrity Reflection. We'll see you guys later. Take care.
Ciao.
Tomorrow's never promised.
Live for today. Cheers.
So we'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.